Hi friends, welcome to learnstuff.com. Today we are going to see about Music. Music is a free and open source music player. It is available on almost all desktop like Windows, Mac and Linux. It have a high quality listening experience with a clean and innovative interface. Music will find and show the song lyrics in info view and hide everything but what's related to currently playing track. Okay friends, now I'm going to show you how to install Music on PopOS. For installing Music, you have to update a repository in your machine using a command apt-get update. After updating, now we are going to install Music using a command apt-get install Music. After installing Music, to check, go to Activities and then type Music. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open the Music application. Choose a music folder. This is about music. I hope this video will get you knowledge about how to install music on PopOS. I think this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.